Do you feel that women in India need male supervision and cannot act independently?
No, absolutely no, because there's basically no difference in men and women. They can act independently and quite well also. We have many examples in history and in present also that women can take their decisions very independently and very right decisions, sometimes much better than a male can do.
Do you believe in dowry system?
No, I don't believe in dowry system. I completely do not support them.
Has anybody in your family ever accepted dowry?
Yeah, I have seen always that my all the marriages till now in my family have accepted dowry in some form, and they have also given dowry in some form. But I've also seen that the time is changing. People now feel shameful in giving and taking dowries, so they are hiding them. But I feel that it should be stopped completely.
Okay. Should allowing women to be independent be something that should be taught to students as a part of school curriculum?
Yeah, sure. Because in Indian culture, sometimes the male students take it for granted that girls are very weak and they should be suppressed. But it is not so. And in many parts of country, it is very important to teach everyone that everyone is equal and we should live in a healthy atmosphere.
Do you believe in dowry system?
Yeah, I believe in dowry system because in the society we live everywhere, in every marriages we see around us, dowry is accepted in every marriages, and even in some cases dowry as big as 1 crore is expected in and given also by the girl side to the boy side.
Has anybody in your family ever accepted dowry?
Yeah, everyone in some part or other part has taken dowry. Either it will be property or something related to the marriage.
Would you ever accepted dowry? Would you accept dowries?
Yeah. No, I will not accept.
Okay. In your opinion, do you think it is acceptable for women to drink and smoke?
Yeah, if they want to drink and smoke, they should be allowed to do such actions.
Do you feel that women are discriminated against in the Indian society?
Yes, it might not happen in cities, but it definitely happens in the villages in India. And I think women in villages definitely don't have the freedom which the men enjoy, and even in some cities that trend is prevalent.
Okay. Do you feel that women in India need male supervision and cannot act independently?
No, I don't believe that.
Okay. Do Indian men have a disrespectful attitude toward women?
I don't know. I don't think it is a race thing. As in, it's not an Indian thing. In some parts of India, yes, women are not treated with respect. There are a lot of cases of female infanticide, genocide.
Do you think capital punishment is justifiable for rape?
Yes.